Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and in this video I am going to talk about string concatenation and string formatting. Let's get started. So before starting I will create a list of fruits, then I will use here some for loop and here I will give some type of this is my favorite fruit or whatever. So let's get started. For that I will create a list of fruit then equals the square brackets I will give is mango, then beside this I will give is pineapple, then grape, beside this I will give is banana. I will use a for loop, that is I will give then print the brackets is fruit, then space equals like this. Okay, is my favorite fruit. Now let's run this program. Here I have used for loop because I want to show each time, right? Like apple is my favorite fruit, sorry, mango is my favorite fruit, banana is my favorite fruit, etc. So let's run this program. As okay, fruit plus it's showing as some error. I have done here mistake. Not here. Run it again. It's coming. As you can see here, it's mango. Okay, we need here some space and again. So yeah, it's showing mango is my favorite fruit, but etc. Okay, so now we can do this in another way. Okay, so I will do this in another way, that is I will use here is join. I will give here print, then in the brackets what should I give? Okay, this one space dot join bracket square bracket, then fruits plus not plus space is my favorite fruit. So now let's run this program and check whether the results are same or not. As you can see here, the results are same. Okay, why is okay, the results are same, that mango is my favorite fruit. In the starting also it was showing the same. So now let's say just you want to print the strings as we have given in the above list, right? Well, like mango comma pineapple, then comma grape comma banana, like that, right? So I will make this comment really quickly, and here I will give this print. You can do this way also, that is we'll make this out comment fruit. Let's run this program. I don't want like this mango comma pineapple comma. I don't want any hmm, brackets, and I don't want quotation marks. So I will close this one. For that I will remove this one and give print brackets comma space dot join. I will give is join and fruits. Let's run this program. Okay, it's working. It's showing mango pineapple. So the difference is that here it's showing some quotation mark and square brackets. It's not showing here. Okay, so now everything is fine, everything is working fine, and it's easily readable. If you know how the join works, then it's easily readable. If you don't know that how the join works, then it will be difficult for you. But when it comes to concatenating strings, join is suitable when you are joining more than two strings. So now on the topic of join, I will show you one more thing. So for showing that, I will do one more thing, that is I will make out this comment. Here at the end I will give here import OS. Okay, and then I will give here is file location. I will give here our file location, my file location. You should give that whatever your file location is that. Okay, I will give here is this one and c slash backslash then personal, then this is my file location. And then program. Programming. I will come here and I will give the file. So before doing this, I have created one file known as test.txt. I have created text file, or you can give any name. So I have created like that, right? So I will give is test.txt. If you are given the another name for your text file in the same location, the location should be the same. Okay, then that it means that you need to give here the name of the file and print file location space plus brackets plus file name. I will give it now. So now I will give is with open. I want to open this, right? With open dot os dot path, then join. Then I will give is file location comma file name. Here I am giving as x because when you are running this again, you need to give all the line of code. That's the all one, right? So for that I will save this one and print here x dot read. That's before running this program, you need to create some file known as text.txt or test.txt or some other file. Then you need to give the name of the file in the place of test.txt. Sorry. Then you need to give your file location in your computer how you have. Then you need to run this program, otherwise it will show you some error. Programming. I will clear up this one and write again. Okay, it's running, it's running this program. Okay, running this program, sorry. So now the last thing I want to show is string formatting. I will make all the code multi-line comment here. I will go here and at the top also will do the same, and wanted to do something like this. So now I will give is equals to y equals to somebody, then z equals 5. Print y comma bot or I will give is 8 comma z. Beside this z I will give is something known as mangoes. Actually I want to print is that will for not confusing I will give here is actually I want to print like this in the console. Okay. So now let's run this program. Somebody ate 5 apples, 5 mangoes today, but this is not the correct way to do it. So here I will use another way for doing that. That is, I will make this one. Yeah. I will give here print. Then in the brackets I will give one like this and eight. This is string formatting, right? Mangoes today dot format, then y comma z. Let's run this program again. Somebody okay, it's printing the same. Somebody ate 5 mangoes today, but if you are using Python 2, okay, this won't work, right? So for that we need to keep here is 0. I was not human. Like this also you can give in the Python. Okay, in the Python 2 you can give like this, but if you are using Python 3 you can give like this, but you can do in another way also like this. Okay, like this. So guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.